Fake antibiotic drugs worth rupees 17.5 lakh and used to treat serious diseases have been seized in raids across various cities of Gujarat, and 4 persons have been apprehended in this connection. A bunch of counterfeit drug manufacturers took the phrase "chuna lagana," which means pulling off a corn, to its literal extreme by packing calcium carbonate tablets to be sold as drugs for serious ailments. Some of the people involved in the scam worked as medical representatives of Benami companies and used to deliver the fake medicines to doctors, the Food and Drug Control Administration said in a release. The FDCA officials conducted raids in various cities such as Nadiad, Surat, Ahmedabad and Rajkot and seized the fake drugs, it said. Fake antibiotic drugs worth rupees 17.5 lakh used to treat serious diseases were seized from Ahmedabad and other cities, Gujarat Food and Drug Control Administration Commissioner H.G. Koshia said. The accused had packaged calcium carbonate tablets shown as being manufactured by a company in Himachal Pradesh. However, no such company exists, said an FDCA release. When we ran pharmacological tests on the antibiotics, we found that the miscreants had packed calcium carbonate or chuna, as it is colloquially known, in these packets. We have sent a large batch of the material seized for further tests and have alerted the marketing agencies of the spurious drugs, said H.G. Koshia, Commissioner, Gujarat, FDCA. Acting on the tip-off, the Ahmedabad office of the Food and Drug Regulator nabbed one Khimaram Kumhar in Ahmedabad with 99 boxes of Posmox CV625 antibiotic tablets worth rupees 2,61,250 on Friday, a release from the FDCA said. When questioned, the man revealed that fake medicines were delivered to him allegedly by Arun Amera, also a resident of Ahmedabad, who in turn led the officials to another accused identified as Vipul Degra. From Degra, 5 different fake antibiotic medicines having a total value of rupees 4,83,300 were confiscated, the release said. Degra led the officials to one Darshan Vyas, who was being questioned. An examination of Degra's mobile phone revealed he had supplied fake antibiotic medicines to doctors in different cities of the state without bills, the FDCA said. Later, the officials also conducted raids in Ahmedabad and other cities and seized fake antibiotic drugs worth rupees 10.50 lakhs, it said. The 4 persons were detained and handed over to Isanpur police in Ahmedabad for further investigation, it said, adding a case was registered under provisions of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.